You are quite wrong. As soon as I finish my dangerous and malicious code, I will hack into Scratch and destroy it forever.